The beauty of a river cruise is that you're so close to the destination. When we started AmaWaterways more than 12 years ago, we had a dream. We wanted to create a river cruise line that we would love to enjoy ourselves. Throughout the ship, our mission remains the same. We want our guests to feel at home.
I love to discover new countries, and this river cruise is giving me an opportunity to do that. River cruising has added, I think, a special dimension because it makes it so easy to see many countries over a very short period of time. Part of that has to do with the fact that you don't have to pack and unpack your suitcase every night. In the case of AmaWaterways, I think what they saw was that opportunity to put more personal contact into the traveling experience.
Every year, we spend lots of time on the design of our cabins. They are not just very spacious, with large marble bathrooms, but they are also very warm. We handpick the colors for every ship to make sure that our guests enjoy their home away from home. Where you have a veranda to sit outside and a French balcony to also enjoy inside. We have invested lots of energy to make sure that our guests can be connected at any time.
Being able to take pictures and send those home and be in constant communication with my family and sharing some of this experience with them was wonderful.
It's not just about managing expectations, it's about exceeding expectations.
Every year coming new ships. The hardware, it's basically different designs, different styles, of course. What is important is the software, and I would say the crew on board, this is the software, and they make the difference.
AmaWaterways is a family-owned company, and we are most proud of our staff on board. We choose them by attitude, because you can learn the rest.
We have a small family of 50 crew members, and this makes it so intimate, and the guest feels this right away when he comes on board.
Whether it's at the bar or care they take in setting up your cabin, every interaction you have with the people on board AmaWaterways, you feel that personal touch.
I think the most satisfied you can be when you do your job in a way which is also your own passion, your own hobby. That doesn't feel like a job anymore.
We do this with love, and it makes us really proud to be on the ship.
Our crew and staff are so passionate about what they do. They make the difference. They truly care. European rivers have always been the source of life, and our ships take you right into the heart of the destination. Today, a river cruise can be as active as you want and as passive as you want. We have bikes on our European ships. Our ships usually leave at midnight, so you can spend the evenings in town and do what the locals do. And we bring you the many flavors of the destination on board. Our guests can choose from a variety of dining venues on board, including my favorite one, our Chef's Table specialty restaurant. It is an open kitchen, actually a glassed-in kitchen, where the chef is preparing the freshest food that he bought in the local villages.
And that's what is important to us, to have these fresh farmer products on board. That's one of our advantages what we have, sometimes on a day in 2 or 3 ports, to get fresh products in the places we go.
One of the best places on the sun deck is our swimming pool, where our guests can just relax, have a drink and socialize. Just explore yourself, and that's, of course, underneath the blue sky on a beautiful sun deck. That's what river cruising is about.